So very straightforward question. A block of mass 2 kg is placed on a long frictionless horizontal table, is pulled horizontally by constant force. So we will make the diagram. An object, we have an object which is kept on a long horizontal table and it is pulled horizontally by applying a constant force F. The mass is given 2 kg. It is found to move 10 meters in 2 seconds. So time is given. In 2 seconds, it covers a distance of 10 meters. Find magnitude of F. So how to solve this question? So first, it is saying that constant force is acting. So if constant force is acting means the acceleration will also be constant, because acceleration is force by mass. So mass is not going to change, force is constant, so acceleration is also constant. A is constant. It means we can apply all the equations of motion which we have learned in the kinematics chapter. So displacement is given and initially object is placed, so it is kept at rest. So we can use the equation S equal to ut plus half at square. This will give the value of acceleration if you solve this. How it will give acceleration? Because initial velocity is 0, acceleration is not given, time is given 2 seconds, displacement is given 10 meter. So 10 meter is equal to half into A into 2 square. So A is going to be 5 meter per second square. So we have got acceleration of object 5 meter per second square. And if acceleration is 5 meter per second square, what will be magnitude of force? So that is F equal to ma. So m is given 2 kg and A is given 5 meter per second square. So it will be 10 Newton only. So in this way we can find. So this was a simple question. So this is just to revise the concept.